Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials so nothing blocks the cast. You must update your iPhone and the Google Home app. Make sure the TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Once done, open Google Home and tap the TV device card to verify it's online. If the TV prompts, "Accept pairing," this links your devices. Now that the device appears in Home, you're ready to send content. Proceed to the casting step. Now you cast from an app that supports Chromecast. Open YouTube or Netflix, play a video, and tap the cast icon. It looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves. Select your Chromecast built-in TV from the device list. The app connects and offloads playback to the TV. Use the app on your iPhone to control play, pause, skip, and volume because the phone becomes a remote. If you want to mirror the whole screen, use Google Home's Cast My Screen. To finish, stop casting from the app or tap Stop Casting in Google Home. This frees the TV for others. If you need full screen mirroring, open Google Home, tap your TV, then choose Cast My Screen, follow prompts, and allow permissions. If casting fails, try a simple restart. Power cycle router, then TV, then your iPhone. This resolves most network or handshake issues. If that still fails, check both devices are on the same SSID and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.